Look both ways before crossing. Hi, my name is Giovanna and I teach English in a creative way. Today I will teach important and natural sentences and phrases for you to use while I walk on the street. Watch your step. Watch your step. When you say this, you want the person to be careful around obstacles on the ground. For example, watch your step. The ground is uneven. Uneven means not flat or smooth. This ground is uneven, and if you don't watch your step, you might trip. You can say that this sidewalk is cracked, or simply say it's uneven. Keep up the pace, we're blocking the way. We use this sentence when we want to encourage someone to move faster to avoid causing an obstruction. For example, you're walking in a group and someone is coming in a hurry behind you. You have to say, let's keep up the pace, we're blocking the way, so that you don't end up making someone late. However, if there is someone in front of you walking slowly, you can just say, excuse me, I need to get by, to mean that you need to get ahead of them. Do you need to get by? I need to get by. Sorry. Stay on the sidewalk. You use this when you want the person to stay safe off the road. If you are a pedestrian, you should always walk on the sidewalk. Are sidewalks common in your country? They should be. And they also should be smooth and not uneven. Be careful around the puddle. A puddle is a shallow pool that forms after it rains. It's a really useful term. Puddle. Be careful not to step on poo. These are dog poops. So gross. I know, it's really gross. Mind the curb. This is the curb, and to mind in this context means to pay attention to or to be careful around. Have you ever ridden a subway and heard that announcement saying, mind the gap? The gap is the space between the train and the platform. So mind the gap means be careful with the gap. Cool, isn't it? Look both ways before crossing. When someone is crossing the street, especially a child, you need to warn him or her that it's important to look both ways before crossing and make sure there is no vehicle coming. The traffic light is about to change. Let's wait for the next one. This phrase means that the pedestrian signal is about to transition or is currently transitioning from a walking person to a countdown timer and then to a raised hand. So you need to be careful not to cross the street when the hand is raised or when there's not enough time. Stay in the shade, it's too hot in the sun. Stay in the shade, it's too hot in the sun. This phrase serves as advice or a reminder to seek shade to avoid sunburn. Keep an eye on your belongings. Keep an eye on your belongings. To keep an eye on your belongings means to watch your things carefully to make sure they don't get lost or stolen. By the way, do you know what pickpockets are? Pickpockets are people who steal items, usually money or wallets, from others' pockets or bags without them noticing. By the way, do you feel like you can make sentences in English, but sometimes they sound too robotic? And do you wish you could sound more natural? If yes, I'd love to invite you to my English course, the Fluency Factory. It's perfect for learners who want to review B1 and master B2 and speak useful, real English in a natural way. You'll get 9 complete modules with 3 to 4 lessons each. You can study anytime at your own pace. Plus, you'll also get bonus dialogue lessons and future updates. Click the link in the description and start learning with me today. Don't delay your learning process. Oh, it's definitely going to rain. Actually, it has just started raining. And it's super windy. It started raining in the middle of the video, but I'm still recording this for you. So please don't forget to subscribe. That's a slippery patch. Walk carefully. A slippery patch refers to an area or spot on a surface that is difficult to walk on because it lacks traction. It's slippery. It can make you slip and fall. In other public spaces, you might come across a sign like this one you see in the picture, especially when the floor has just been mopped. Sorry, I didn't mean to bump into you. Sorry, I didn't mean to bump into you. To bump into someone means to accidentally collide with someone physically, such as when walking and not paying attention. If you do that, you need to apologize. Where's the nearest ATM? Where's the nearest ATM? If you're looking for an ATM like this one in the picture to withdraw some money. As I was filming, I stumbled upon this cute little free library, a small house filled with free books you can grab or donate. I love it. Fun fact about me, I'm really into literature, and as you might know, I graduated in English literature and linguistics. I just love the English language. Excuse me, do you know what time it is? My phone died. Excuse me, do you know what time it is? My phone died. It looks like there is something dangling from your bag. It looks like there is something dangling from your bag. This means that something, usually an item or a piece of the bag itself, is swinging or hanging loosely from the bag. This phrase is often used in a casual or friendly manner to point out something that may be easily missed or could potentially cause an issue, like something falling out or getting caught. If you learned something new, let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. See you later.